Next up, I'll show you how to create beautiful and easy to understand infographics in Canva. Infographics are perfect for simplifying complex information, presenting statistics, or educating your audience in a visual way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design infographics that are both informative and engaging. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, go to Canva and search infographic. You'll see a variety of templates ranging from data-heavy charts to step-by-step layouts. Pick one that matches the type of information you want to share. Next, decide on your key message. Infographics should highlight the most important points, not overwhelm with details. Start with a strong headline like 5 ways to save money or the benefits of morning exercise. Then, add visuals to support your points. Canva has icons, shapes, and illustrations you can use. For numbers and statistics, insert charts or graphs from the Elements panel. This makes your data more digestible. Use a clear hierarchy like big fonts for headlines, medium for subheadings, and smaller for the details. Break information into sections so readers can easily follow along. Just a quick tip, stick to 1 or 2 fonts and a consistent color scheme. This keeps your infographic clean and professional. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. When your design is complete, click share, then download, and save as PNG for online sharing or PDF for presentations. And that's it. You've just designed an infographic in Canva that's clear, engaging, and perfect for social media, blogs, or presentations. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.